Well, let's get to what we saw yesterday. Thanks to Craig for this great definition here, and Barbara for her video. Grauple actually is snow. At the center of every grauple pellet is a snowflake that's simply coated by heavy rime deposits as it falls steadily downward through the supercooled water droplets in a cloud. There's no melt phase present during grauple formation. Partially developed grauple looks like popped popcorn. Fully developed grauple shaped like a three-dimensional cone or Mercury space capsule, with the large bottom part of the cone being the leading edge that collects most rime.